Welcome to our next lesson. Two suffixes in Sanskrit, twa and tumun. These two pratyas are very important and basic. Let me introduce some words in twa and tumun pratyas. Some of the roots are already joined with twa and tumun and they are given with the meaning. Let me read. Pat is the dhatu, that is the moola verb, root verb. If twa is added, it becomes patitva. Pat becomes patitva. Twa says after. Pat means read. After reading means the work is completed. Hence, what we should understand, twa says a work is completed and the person is going to do the next work. Let me read the words. Pat, patitva, after reading. Pat becomes patitva, after falling. Dhav, dhavitva, after running. Chal, chalitva, after walking. Khad, khaditva, after eating. Has, hasitva, after laughing. Raksh, rakshitva, after protecting. Bhaj, bhajitva, after praying. Now, tuman. Tuman is the suffix. In this, n will be dropped out. Tum will remain. Pat becomes patitum. Pat, patitum. Tum means you are going to do your work. You are going to a place to do another work. Tumun says what you are going to do. Pat, patitum. Patitum means to read, for reading. Pat, patitum, to fall, for falling. Dhav, dhavitum, to run or for running. Chal, chalitum, to walk or for walking. Khad, khaditum. Khaditum means to eat or for eating. Has, hasitum. Hasitum means to laugh or for laughing. Raksh, rakshitum, to protect or for protecting. Bhaj, bhajitum, to pray or for praying. Clear? So let us read one more time. Pat, patitva, pat, patitva, dhav, dhavitva, chal, chalitva, khad, khaditva, has, hasitva, raksh, rakshitva, bhaj, bhajitva. Pat, patitum, pat, patitum, dhav, dhavitum, chal, chalitum, khad, khaditum, has, hasitum, raksh, rakshitum, bhaj, bhajitum. So read once again with the meaning before going to the next page. Now I am going to next page. Some more verbs with twa and tuman. Pach, paktva. Look at the changes. Here I have given you only the word. How it got changed is the higher grammar that you will learn slowly. Pach, paktva. Creed, creeditva. Bhram, bhramitva. So we have seen whenever there is twa, the suffix twa is added, the meaning is after doing some work. First you are doing one work and going to do another work. Nam, natva, pa becomes pib, pibati, pibataha, pibanti. But when we add the suffix, we will add the suffix only with the root word, not with the derivation. Pa is the root word, pib is the derivation. Okay. So we will use the suffix only with the root, not with the derivation. Pa becomes pitva, gam, gatva, ji, jitva, char, chartva, stha, sthitva, drish, drishtva, da, datva, ni, neetva. Now we will read the words given with tumun, the suffix tumun. Pach, paktum, creed, creeditum, bhram, bhramitum, nam, nantum, pa, patum, gam, gantum, ji, jetum, char, chartum, stha, sthatum, drish, drashtum, da, datum, ni, netum. I appeal to all the learners to read this once again thoroughly with the meaning before going to the next page. We are going to see some sentences in the next page. Now we are moving to the next page. Sentence practices. बालकः खेलित्वा इतस्ततः धावति. खेलित्वा. बालकः इतस्ततः धावति. It is also a complete sentence, but we want to say this boy has done something before doing the current work. Twa says the boy has done some work earlier and now he is doing some other work. Clear? Let me read the sentence once again. Balakah khelitva itastatah dhavati. Khelitva says after playing. After playing. Balakah, a boy. Itastatah dhavati. He runs here and there. Yuyam likhitva pathan patata. Likhitva, after writing. Yuyam, you all. Pathan patata. Patata, read. Pathan, the lessons. You all read the lessons after writing. You all have written something before and now you are reading the lesson. That is the meaning of this sentence. Sevakaha nripam sevitva dhanam apnoti. Sevitva, serving, after serving. Sevakaha, a servant. Nripam sevitva, after serving the king. Dhanam apnoti, he is getting money. A servant gets money after serving the king. Fourth sentence. Bhaktaha devam architva tushyati. Bhaktaha, a devotee. Tushyati, becomes happy. Devam architva, after worshipping the god. Tvam yachakaya vastram datva gacchasi. Tvam, you, gacchasi, go. You go. Yachakaya vastram datva. Yachakaya, for a beggar. Vastram, the cloth. Datva, after giving. After giving a cloth to a beggar, tvam gacchasi, you go. You are going after giving the dress to a beggar. Kindly go through this page before going to the next page. Now the use of tuman pratyaya. Aham bhojanam khaditum griham gacchami. Aham, I, griham gacchami, go home. Bhojanam khaditum, to eat food, to do some other work further. Tuman says that purpose. Aham bhojanam khaditum griham gacchami. I go to house to eat food. Vayam pathan patitum vidyalayam gacchamaha. Vayam, we all, vidyalayam gacchamaha, we go to school. Pathan patitum, to read lessons, to learn lessons. We all go to school to learn lessons. Manushyaha devam bhajitum devalayam chalanti. Manushyaha, people, devalayam chalanti, go to temple. Chalanti, gachanti, same meaning. There's no difference in the meaning. Chalanti means some people say walk, moving, moves, walks. Even go also is one of the meaning. Manushyaha devam bhajitam. Devam bhajitam, that's a purpose to go to the temple. Devam bhajitam, to pray to God. Devalayam gachanti, they go to the temple. People go to the temple to pray God. Saha jantushalayam vividhan mrigan drashtum ichhati. Saha, he, jantushalayam, in a zoo, vividhan mrigan drashtum ichhati. Vividhan mrigan, vividha means varieties of, mrigan, animals, drashtum, to see, ichhati, wants. He wants to see varieties of animals in zoo. Balakaha udyane khelitum mitraihi saha dhavanti. Balakaha, children. Udyane, in the garden. Khelitum, to play. Mitraihi saha, with their friends. With friends. Saha says with. Always follow the Tritiya Bhakti. Dhavanti, run. Children run in the garden. Children run in the garden to play with friends. So I appeal the students to go through the Twa Pratyaya words and Tuman Pratyaya words once again and learn them thoroughly. Dhanyavadaha.